What up, my peeps? What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? How you doing? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name's Tucker, and I am your host tonight and every night. That was pretty lame. Anyways, yeah. So, today was a great day for the stock market. I'll get into that later, but I have a good penny stock that I heard from my source that he would like to spread it out to everyone. And so I'm going to talk to you guys about this company that is going to be producing some amazing stuff. It's an over-the-counter market. It's products in Canada. If you go for over-counter markets, the ticker symbol is BVNNF. And for the, where did I write it down? For the, so for the other type of stock markets, TSX-V, the ticker symbol is BEV. So there's two ways to get this stock, this small SPAC stock. And what BEV is stands for BevCanna Enterprise Incorporated. And what it is it's an infusion drink with cannabis, and they are going to be partnering up potentially with one big name, but I'll get there. Just give me a sec. But they so it's Keef brand, KEEF. And there are the top 6 in Colorado. This brand is seller. And in California, it's the top 3 out of the top 10. But knowing Colorado, they're kind of more progressively aggressive than California in terms of laws and things like that. But we're not that far behind. So the stock is right now it's 61 cents, and I'll give you a little history. In September 22nd, 2020, the stock was 25 cents. January 2021, it was 90 cents. February 27th, it was $1.01. Today, it's 67 cents. And then on the graph, it says it's 61. So between 61 and 67 cents. So today, it's 61 cents today. It went up 1%. And I don't want to tell you even how much that is to 61 cents. It's 0.0063. Feels like old doji days. I know someone's laughing on that one. So, all right, in BevCanna, this is what the interview with the CEO guy, I didn't get his name, but he used to have walking pneumonia and running, runner's knee every day. And I guess he's, athletic, and, had this unfortunate health compromise, and somebody recommended to take these active ingredient, these minerals, and the names of them are folic and humic. Folic, F-U-L-I-C, and humic, H-U-M-I-C, minerals. And he did that. This was around 8 years ago when this happened, and over the years, he has taken these minerals and his problems have subsided, along with probably some other things too. I'm sure, like therapy and stuff like that. But the plans for the company are CVG brands. I don't know what that is. In the well, yeah, all right. Cannabis. Basically, you want to get cannabis into the folic and humic space. I know anatomy and physiology, but I do not know folic and humic space. Sorry, but I'm lying. Telling you the truth. The outlook is optimistic. He says by 2024, this is kind of interesting. Well, there was the 2.0 delay. I guess that's the 2 years of delay in the beverage department of launching products. So now we're going to see them probably this year and next year. But he says by 2024, the beverage industry in North America could hit about $4 billion in revenue. That's a lot of money. So there's a lot of stuff that's going to be coming out that we haven't seen because we've been locked up for a while. And so this also has no carcinogens at all, and you can give this I don't even know what to call it. It's not a drug, but it is this drink to animals too. They can formulate it in all types of forms, liquid. And so when the federal, I have a feeling also, and maybe other people too, feel free to jump in, or not jump in, but you can think about this, but the federal government is probably going to legalize marijuana sometime in the next couple of years. And when that happens, all those cannabis stocks that I've talked about in the past, those are going to just go crazy as soon as that's legalized. And I think we'll know by the end of this year. But I don't want to say things I don't know. I don't feel comfortable doing that. But they're planning to expand into the United States, and that's where I'm going with the federal government, because this is a Canadian company. And their company is Pure Therapy, and they're introducing their proprietary and nutraceutical hemp CBD products. English, he wanted this. The guy said, the guy was, look, whatever. You don't need to say fancy words to tell people what you want to say. He's saying there's very important, minerals in here, proprietary, and there's nutrients in here. That's what he's saying. And CBD. And so, Keith Brands is already in plans to partner with BevCanna as soon as it's pretty much federally legal in the U.S. So they got the maps all laid out. They just waiting for the legalization. But even if it doesn't legalize, they still have things. So here's an overview of the stock market today. The high growth stocks that we've talked about, or I've talked about in some of my other videos, have recovered, thank God. But I knew they were. I saw them slowly doing it. Trust me, because I'm a Tesla fan. That's the main thing. The biggest growth out of anything, I believe, is Tesla. Most bang for your buck. But there's other good stocks too. And the SPAC stocks recovered too. So like small stocks like Skills. I don't want to get into this, but Kathy Woods bought 4 million shares of skills today. SKLZ. That's the ticker symbol. She also sold 163,981 shares of Tesla, which doesn't scare me at all because she has a ton of Tesla at a very low cost, and it's time to burn that money anyway. You know, burn it. She's got a lot of shares. It's over 10% of her portfolio is Tesla. And bought up a lot of other stocks too that were really big. DraftKings, Coinbase, and some yeah, I don't want to get into this, but basically Piton and Netflix. Netflix bombed today in their earnings report because they didn't meet their numbers of memberships. That's why they bombed. And who jumped in on it? Here's your cookie if you're still watching. Kathy Woods. So she was just selling Netflix like last week, and now she's buying it back. So she's probably selling it at the high before the the release, quarterly release, and then bought it. She's plans everything perfect, but she has like 20 people working with her. I'm Tucker. I have but one person working with me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and have a good night. You can follow me on YouTube at Tuck Notes and on Instagram at TuckerMLO, and check out my blog at #TuxBlog. See ya.